Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I will show you how to see your connected IP address in the Binance app. This can be really helpful if you want to check your network, details, or troubleshoot connection issues. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store. In the search bar, type Binance and make sure the app is updated to the latest version to avoid any issues. Once the app is updated, simply open the Binance app. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings, then scroll down and select Help and Support. Next, tap on Network Test. Here, you will be able to see your IP address and other network details. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Until next time, see you soon.